Hello class, welcome to TAR Tutorials. Today we will be discussing the chapter quadratic equation, and I have divided into two parts. So let us go straight away. What is quadratic equation? An operation with one variable whose highest power of the variable is 2, that is known as quadratic equation. For example, 3x square plus 4 is equal to 0 is an example for quadratic equation. Or I can say 4x square plus 5x is equal to 4. This is an example of quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus b plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are all real numbers. Okay, so have you heard about the term discriminant? Discriminant. It is usually denoted by d, and that is nothing. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is the discriminant. Another example for a pure quadratic equation will be like x square is equal to 4. Anything to the power is equal to power of square is equal to square of itself. That is known as pure quadratic equation. Now we will be solving 2-3 questions here, or I'll be moving here with only a single question if it is a quadratic equation or not. For example, a question has been given as 3x minus 2, 2x minus 3, that is equal to 2x plus 5, 2x minus 1. Now the question is it a quadratic equation? How we will see that is it a quadratic equation? It need to be proved in the formula, that is ax square. I have mentioned before, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It should follow this article. Like 3x minus 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 3, that is equal to 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 1. So when we multiply this becomes 6x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 4x square minus 2x 1 is 2x plus 10x minus 5. So this is the two equations which have been formed. If we further solve this equation, cx square, 4x square will come here, so 6x square minus 4x square, that is 2x square, and this is minus 9x minus 4 minus 13x, and there is 8x, 10x minus 2x, that is 8x. So I get my value as minus 21x if it comes this side, minus 21x, and this is 3, and that is minus 5. If it is coming here, so plus 3 minus 5, that is plus 11. Sorry, this will be 2 3 just 6. So plus 11, that is equal to 0. So hence it is coming in the form of ax square minus, or we can say plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So yes, this is a quadratic equation. Now see, if one question is given as x is equal to 1 by 2, which is a solution of equation, it is a solution of equation, and that equation is 2x square plus px minus 6 is equal to 0, then they are wanting the value of p. So I know the value of x is 3 by 2. So I need to substitute that value in that equation. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole square plus p into 3 by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. So here what will be my formula? See, this will become 2 into 9 by 4 plus p into 3 by 2, that is equal to 6. When 6 goes that side. So here when we solve this totally, we get 2 into 4. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 the 4. This become 9 by 2 and this become plus 3p by 2 is equal to 6. So when we take LCM, it is 9 plus 3p by 2 is equal to 6, where 2 go that side. So it become 9 plus 3p is equal to 12. So 9 gives that the 3p is equal to 12 minus 9, that is p is equal to 1. So I got the value of p is equal to 1. So my value of p or this p is 1. Now, how to examine the root? This is a very important question. See, as we know, discriminant is b square minus 4a. See, this is a discriminant. Now, what is its roots? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so roots are imaginary. This means these are not real. So in this way we can find the roots of the quadratic equation given. Now, for example, if someone is telling you, again note this one please class, how they are related to each other. Now someone is giving you a question that states, without solving, examine the nature of the root, and the question is 5x square minus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. So without solving, we have to examine this value. So here a is 5, with this ax square, so a is 5, b is minus 6 and c is equal to 7. So when we are using the discriminant formula, that is b square minus 4ac. So what is the formula? B square that is minus 6, 36, minus when it is double, the negative sign goes. This will be minus 4 into a is 5 into 7. So 36 minus 7 5 is 35. 35 into 4, 140. So this value is minus 104. So I know that this is negative value. So according to this, my formula is ax square plus b I am sorry class, this last one I. So my value for b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So this sums up to the last point, that these are roots are imaginary. It is not real. Now I'll show you two sums of quadratic equation which are solved by factorization. Now I am telling you two sums which are solved by factorization. See how. This is very easy question. Like first question is 2x square minus 7x is equal to 39. So I will be doing this in middle term factor method. So 2x square minus 7x minus 39 is equal to 0. So this can also be written as 2x square minus 13x plus 6x minus 39 is equal to 0. Minus 13x plus 6x is again 7x minus 7x only. So I can take common out here 2x, so here I get x, here I got 13, and here I took common as 3. So 3 2 jaye, sorry, here I cannot take 2x, I have taken 2x here. So here 2x minus 13, that is equal to 0. So my two values are x plus 3 and x minus 13. So I can get two values, that is x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x can be here 3 and x can be here 13. So the two values are here either 3 or 13. Sorry, x is equal to 3 by 2 and here will be 13 by 2. I think I have done some mistake. We will go through this again. As I have 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 13, so 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and sorry, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 or 2x is equal to 13. No, this is correct. See, this will be 2x plus 3, x plus, no, one will be, I actually did that time correct only, I was a little confused. One will be x plus 3, another will be 2x minus 13. So x is equal to, one value will be minus 3 and another value will be 2x is equal to plus 13. So x is equal to 13 by 2. This is the correct value. Sorry for the last thing, I was a little confused. I am sorry for that because I messed up here, so it got messed up like anything, but I understand that you will forgive me for this. So I'll try one more question, that is x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x, that is equal to 2 1 by 2. So first thing I will do here, I will take an LCM, that is x minus 1. So my value here will be x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. when we cross multiply, we get 2x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1, that is 5 into x square minus x. Correct? So when we multiply here, so this is 2x square. So 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. Again when it comes here, so 4x square minus 5x square minus 4x minus comes here the plus, so plus 6 is equal to 0. Correct? So my last value will be x square this is 5x. So here will be minus 5x square, which comes here, then minus 4x minus plus 5x plus 1. So my value here will become x square plus x plus 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, so this become 2. So x square minus x minus 2, this I got a value, so I'll keep this and delete everything so I can solve this further. That is, I got this as a value x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So I can also write this as x minus 2 and x plus 1, that is equal to 0. When we take as a middle term, so my value here will be x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So class, this is end of this part. In the second part I will start doing by what we say a formula, or in CBSE that is known as Sridharacharya formula. Till then, bye bye till you meet again. Bye bye class.